And you're like, shut the front door.
How about shoot yourself, actually?
Right.
No.
I'm gonna say,
Yeah.
you know.
Go to McDonald's.
Listen, you did.
There you go.
What did you do on the scallops? Just the salt and white pepper, and that's it. You just dried them.
Yeah, and not much white pepper because the curry has the heat.
Okay.
Okay, so that, and then
Just happen to be the timing.
so we turn this up.
And it
We're
all
gonna put some speaking shallots in there. And
Oh, you're doing the black tree now. Okay.
yeah, I'm gonna do it all at once. It's no big deal.
Do it.
Do it. There you go. And we'll just put a little salt in that too, just a
Want me
little
to,
bit.
shall I mix that for you?
There you go,
When you're
babe.
doing it, I'll do it for you. I'll do it for you.
There you go. Look, here we go. Happy New Year! Who dat?
It is beautiful.
Thank you.
The whole thing.
Oh, isn't it beautiful?
You are too.
Oh, yeah, right.
And I just got
So that,
not be trying to.
and you know what? I gotta tell everybody. I really should have done a chocolate mousse like 30 minutes ago, but that's okay. We'll be fine.
You know what? We'll have some wine.
We'll be fine. Alright, so,
Just got the bar.
alright.
Thank you.
So actually, that doesn't have to go much longer, as you know.